So we are two co-founders in HasGeek. There is Kiran Jonalgada and myself. I'm a social scientist by background. I've been researching property, land, relationships with communities, and now technology and e-governance. My co-founder Kiran is a programmer. He's been a Python programmer for a fairly long time, and he's also been involved in organizing a number of community and open source events, starting from Fast Orient to Barcamp, and now what we do in HasGeek. So HasGeek is really about getting more developers to meet each other and to provide the platform for more sustained interactions for developers and for communities. What we've done is in the last 2 years, or rather the last 2.5 years of our existence, we've organized more than 12 conferences. We've put together several hack nights together, and now skill training workshops, which so far have been 7 in number. We've reached out to more than 6,000 developers, and we also run a fairly popular job board which is now supposedly the best job board for startups, and that has gotten now 15,000 signups and more, and it has about 6,000 unique visitors every month. So in 2010, when we started the company, there were a few things that we thought were missing. Firstly, there were not that many good quality web development events in India, and so that interaction was missing. Most of the events were really very marketing driven. There were a number of volunteer driven events which were really good quality, but the problem with the volunteer run events was that every year as the new set of volunteers would come in, the institutional learning would be lost, and so it made the events good, but they were not necessarily very professionally organized. And that's where we saw a great opportunity to come together and build this company. We felt that we needed two things. One, to provide very sustained interactions through professionally organized events, and second is to build tools and platforms that make it easier for volunteer-driven, community-driven events. So we've built, over the 2 years, we've built tools such as Funnel, which helps you to organize speakers and content for conferences, Hacknight.in, which helps you to organize participants and projects for a Hack Night, and a number of other platforms and sites. So there are 3 things that have tangibly come out of the work that we've been doing at HasGeek. The first is the growth of communities, of technology communities, straight off from our events. The most clear example right now being the Bangalore JS group that came out of the Front-End Engineering Conference and is now being supported by HasGeek in terms of assisting with speakers, doing videos of meetups, etc. The second tangible outcome is the identification of individuals who have come in to the conferences either as speakers or as participants, and who can either now become instructors in terms of skill training, who can then become also role models in the community, who can drive other technology communities, and this is something that we've done fairly consistently, and HasGeek.tv is an example of what's happening in this front. The third outcome is what happens at Hack Nights and what people build at Hack Nights. At the Android Hack Night in 2011, one of the apps that was built, a karaoke app, has now been integrated with a large music providing service. And these are the trajectories for developers that we hope to continuously keep tracking in the next few years, to also understand what's happening in the developer ecosystem, what the needs are, and who are the people who can be identified and discovered through these events and through these opportunities.